Para sa akin, yung pinakauna diyan is yung attachment mo doon sa fund, eh. First is we have to accept na hindi pa tayo consistently profitable. So magkakamali at magkakamali tayo. Kasi nandun pa lang naman tayo sa phase na tinetest pa natin strategy, we're still trying to improve our skills and everything. So wag niyo expect nakikita kayo. Magkakamali at magkakamali ka talaga. Importante is nakikita mo yung mali and then you're able to note it down, you're able to assess, and then you can improve later on. So that's number one. Number two, baka naman masyado kang attached doon sa fund. Depende naman kasi sa tao yan eh. Some people, for example, $100 sa kanila, okay lang. Sige, kahit matalo ng ano yan, ng, ng konti, no? A couple of dollars, $5, $10, it doesn't really matter, no? But for some people, syempre, masakit yun. Depende yun sa ano mo, sa, kumbaga, parang risk appetite mo. Kung ano yung kaya mo. So, make sure na kung ano yung capital na ilagay mo, ano muna siya. Wala ka munang attachment na just in case natatalo yan, ayos lang, walang problema. So that you can focus on the actual goal na i-implement mo yung trading plan mo and improve it in the future. Okay? So, together with that, no, baka din, it's not really the amount na you have, but it's more of the risk that you're taking. Baka naman masyadong malaki yung lot size na nilalagay mo. So, liitan mo muna, 0.01 mo muna. Okay? Para hindi masakit.